If you're dreaming of the taste of a tropical holiday, this one's for you. A Piña Colada cocoa cake. Grab 3 eggs and beat them with sugar and a dash of vanilla until pale, thick, and triple in volume. This is what gives the sponge its light, fluffy base. In a separate bowl, sift together flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, cinnamon, plus a pinch of salt and nutmeg. This helps avoid bitter clumps and gives you a smooth, even sponge. Gently fold it into your egg mixture until just combined. Pour into a lined 20cm cake tin and smooth it over. Now sprinkle over some crushed cashews and bake for 20 minutes, or just until set. While the sponge is baking, let's make some ganache. Melt white chocolate, stir in a splash of vanilla or coconut extract, then pour in coconut cream. Gently stir until it's smooth, glossy, and rich with coconut notes. Add in room temperature cream cheese, chill it for 15 minutes so it thickens to that perfect, spreadable texture. Once your sponge has cooled off, brush it with pineapple juice, plus a splash of rum or coconut extract for your cocktail cake. Time to caramelize. Melt butter and sugar in a pan until bubbling. Then stir in crushed pineapple. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes until golden and syrupy. Think tropical sunshine in a spoon. Spread the chilled ganache thickly over the soaked sponge. It should glide on like frosting, but still hold its shape. This soft cocoa sponge topped with silky coconut ganache is a textural dream. Absolutely full of flavor. Let's finish it off by drizzling over some of that sweet, syrupy pineapple deliciousness. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more cocoa creations like this one. If you're anything like me, you will not be able to stop eating this Piña Colada cocoa cake. Good stuff.